Is Vizio a smart TV? Let's find out. Yes, many Vizio TVs are smart TVs, offering built-in internet connectivity and access to popular streaming apps like Netflix, YouTube, Disney Plus, and more. Vizio's smart platform, called SmartCast, provides a user-friendly interface for streaming content, screen mirroring from your smartphone, and even voice control through virtual assistants like Google Assistant or Alexa. However, not all Vizio TVs have smart capabilities. Some models are designed for traditional viewing without internet features. If you're looking for a smart TV, make sure the model you're considering includes SmartCast functionality. While Vizio's smart TVs may not offer as many customization options as Android TV or Samsung's Tizen OS, they remain an affordable and reliable choice for casual users seeking essential smart features. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks.